Hi everyone! Today I'm making an easy spinach dip with water chestnuts. This is a delicious dip that can be served as an appetizer or as a snack. It's great for parties, get-togethers, or anytime. So let's get started. Take a 10 to 12 ounce package of frozen chopped spinach and cook it according to package directions. Place it into a colander and then rinse it under cold water. Drain and then squeeze out as much of the liquid as you can, and then place it onto paper towels to dry. In a bowl, add 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 8-ounce can or jar of sliced water chestnuts, drained and chopped, and 1 4-ounce jar of diced pimientos, drained. Stir it together until it's well combined, and then set it aside. Next, chop your spinach. Then add it to your mixture and stir together well. Now, just cover it and chill it in the refrigerator before serving. And here it is, easy spinach dip with water chestnuts. Serve this with your favorite crackers, chips, or veggies. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at Amy Lynn's Kitchen. Drain it and then squeeze out as much of the liquid as you get. You think I could just hold it up like this? I've had, it's half gone. I ate some. I ate some. Now it's too short. Maybe I can fluff it up. And it's cold from where I've had the bowl in the refrigerator. You can tell it's low. I was eating it. And here it is. Easy spinach dip with artichoke. It's not artichoke. What is this?